We're seeing a surge in demand for electric trucks, primarily driven by two things. Fuel prices continue to go up in the near term, but in the long term, the regulatory environment is highly encouraging fleets, particularly on the East and West Coast, to invest in zero-emission technology, and that's best met through electrification today.
A couple of the challenges for implementing EV vehicles in the fleets is that one is the range of the vehicle. So truck bodies being more aerodynamic is significantly improving the range of these vehicles. So that's a huge factor in it. And the second thing is the charging of the vehicles, making sure that we get the infrastructure in place to charge these vehicles so that the fleets can get them back up and use those assets every day.
So some of the challenges that fleet owners are going to face, the first major one is infrastructure. The second one is making the truck more efficient in terms of reducing the weight, looking at aerodynamics, and making it a more efficient truck overall is a big, big key. We take for granted with a combustion engine, you have unlimited amount of heat, right? Heat rejection from the engine. So your air conditioning, your heating, it's really easy to do. Those are big challenges when it comes to electrification. You can take advantage of the EV system. You don't have an engine, you don't have a transmission. You can repackage it for better visibility, better aerodynamics. Better visibility helps with safety, right? So you can see around you much better. You have a lower step-in height, lower floor heights, so it's easier for the driver to get in and get out of. Those are all the types of benefits that EV enables for the total truck.
Trends, of course, are focused on innovation, refining our products. The products have been stagnant for many years, and now there's a renewed interest on weight reduction, on autonomous, on situational awareness, electrification. We have developed an entire business unit focused on this migration to innovation.
Companies and people that operate vehicles, their consumption of energy is certainly what they can do to help in this area. So electric vehicles is that huge pathway to helping that one of the biggest challenges, which is our carbon footprint.
As we look to the future of electrification and trucking, one of the big changes will be the reduction in cost and the increase in energy density of the batteries. Once we pass parity with conventionally powered powertrains, we will see that the economics change and it becomes the smart solution for investing in the future.
We're seeing the speed of adoption increase, and the adoption of trucks is going to be exponential as we move forward.
Morgan Truck Body started in 1952 in Morgantown, Pennsylvania. It was started by Elton Mounts, and he had a trailer building business. Then in 1990, he transferred the ownership to John B. Poindexter, and John invested in manufacturing capacity. He invested in new product lines, and we've expanded and grown to have nationwide coverage.
Navistar and Morgan are really collaborating together because we have a long history in the trucking industry. And Navistar's been building international trucks for over a century. Morgan just celebrated 70 years. And you don't do that without understanding your customers' needs, understanding the truck industry, and understanding what's important to those customers.
Morgan Truck Body started working on electrification more than a decade ago. We understood the long-term trends, we looked at the future forecasts, and we knew we had to be a leader in that space. So many of the chassis OEMs came to us first. We built the demo bodies, we built the demo fleets, and we entered the space first and foremost with those, and we've been there ever since.
From a work truck perspective, each truck is basically their office, it's their space. And so all of our customers tend to have unique specifications that they ask us to adopt, from locations of tie slats to E-track, the material of the body, to the paper roof, to some things on branding, decals. It's a wide array of variations that they would like us to do.
So the mission of Morgan Truck Body is weight reduction. As we add batteries to the chassis, then we start to reduce our payload. So what the team at Morgan's done is done a remarkable job in reducing the aerodynamics, improving aerodynamics, reducing the body weight so that we can maintain the payload. EAVX, it's all about how we integrate the bodies to the chassis more efficiently.
We seamlessly approach the customer, we identify the needs, we have the relationships, and EAVX helps us bring those solutions to market. They are the technology hub and center for us. Situational awareness has moved to the front of the trucking industry. There's a sea change in the demographics of the drivers. And what we want to do is we want to bring the intelligence into the body, provide them with the right decision making at the right time, and help drivers on board quickly and make experienced drivers better.
Specifically in blind spot monitoring, blind spot detection, and that's what we specialize at Brand Motion. and we can start with fleets, and so that's why we're partnering with Morgan.
As an industry leader, as Morgan is, and as an industry leader, as we believe Penske is, that's a strong partnership. When we went with our first 10 prototype chassis, we selected Morgan to put the bodies on because we knew they would think outside the box to find the best way to have that vehicle go to market in its most optimal way. Part of that was, given the weight of the propulsion system and the battery, they had to figure out ways to trim weight. They had to figure out ways to have that body still serve the customer with a different type of chassis on it. And that's where their expertise came in, and that's why we are grateful that we were able to work with them on a project like that.
As we progress, what we're going to become is that innovation hub. So we can bring our industry partners, our chassis manufacturing partners, technology partners, and our customer bases together with our business units and really innovate and solve the problems that they have. At Morgan Truck Body, we're bodies that move business.